Hey, what's up, guys? Nick Leydorf here. I have fallen down quite a rabbit hole in the last few days, and it's the name of the rabbit hole is sovereign citizens. And I've always enjoyed listening to their nonsense, but I don't know, just the last few days, I've really gotten into some of these things. So I've got another video pulled up for you, and let's just jump right into it. So I will share that, and away we go. It's a weird looking court, weird looking courtroom. It looks like someone just set this up from Staples. Like someone was like, "Oh, we have court today. All right, go to Staples and get something from the get something and set it up, and then make all these wires. What's all these wires here? Good Lord, I don't know. I don't know. It's making me itch. It's not very it's not put together very well. But all right, that aside, let's go.
Uh, my name is Stephen. I'm here under common law jurisdiction, exercising my rights.
Already, the judge is like, "Nope, you're not here under common law jurisdiction." My name's Stephen. He said it. If you're gonna do this in court and you're gonna try and pull this off, you got to say it with some gusto. You can't just say, my name is Stephen." Like you gotta my name is Stephen, and you have to be powerful. You have to project, Stephen. You're a sovereign citizen, for God's sakes. You're like you're some sort of courtly, knightly sovereign. You're your own country, for God's sake, Stephen. Say it with some some balls. All right.
Let's get something straight right away. We're not here under common law. We're under here a statutory provision. That's all I can hear.
Is this Admiralty Law, sir?
This is not.
That is this Admiralty Law. If you listened to one a couple days ago, it was this Admiralty Law. This is a common theme. They love to throw the Admiralty Law into this, and you got to know, you got to be on your toes. You got to be able to deal with that response. So let's see what the judge has to say. So
We're not here under common law. We're under here a statutory provision. That's all I can hear.
Is this Admiralty Law, sir?
This is not Admiralty Law.
What courtroom are we in? Is this a courtroom?
This is a hearing room.
Are you a lawful judge?
I'm
Are you a lawful judge?
administrative hearing officer.
what are these women doing over here on this computer? This is a courtroom. The audio is already bad. So someone commented on one of my videos, like, "Oh, the audio is bad." What am I supposed to do? This is a cell phone video. Like, I can't, like, if we're going to get these sovereign citizens, what we got to do is we got to get them to, like, get some better equipment. So I think my kid just came in on the video, too. No.
Are you Stephen Johnson?
I am the authorized representative.
Are you an attorney? Either you're Stephen Johnson or we're not having a hearing, sir.
I'm the authorized representative.
There's no such a thing as authorized representative. Either you're Mr. Johnson or you're not.
I'm not Mr. Johnson. I'm here as an authorized representative of the legal entity, Mr. Johnson.
Oh, he's a legal entity of Mr. Johnson, which what does the legal entity of Mr. Johnson do? What are they in the business of? Being an idiot? If that's their business, then I want to buy stock in Stephen Johnson, because they are going right to the top. This again, Stephen. I'm sorry, authorized representative Stephen Johnson. You have got to speak up. Be commanding. You just can't be a meek authorized representative. You have to pound on the desk. Maybe you should do that.
Are you an attorney?
I don't have to answer that question.
Yes, you do.
Am I obligated?
Unless you answer that question, I'm not conducting a hearing.
I'm here in honor, sir. Trying to stay in honor.
Wait, he's here in honor? What does that even mean? He's here in honor. I don't know what that means. I don't know where this is at. I don't know what city this. Maybe it's in. There's a city in Michigan called Honor, Michigan. I doubt that this is in Honor, Michigan. But the authorized representative Stephen Johnson sitting at this desk that looks like it was just put together from a Staples earlier today, saying that he is here in honor. That makes no sense whatsoever. So the judge is either you're a lawyer representing Stephen Johnson, or you are not Stephen Johnson. And if that's the case, then we can't have a hearing. It's pretty simple. And that he's like, do I have to answer that question? Like, I love him. I love these people. Oh, I just love them.
If you're Mr. Johnson, you're not Mr. Johnson. If you're not Mr. Johnson,
I am the legal
you can't be a legal representative
Yes,
of
I
Mr.
can.
Johnson.
I'm the authorized representative
The only representative we
of the
allow
legal entity, which
is
was.
a person, Mr. Johnson.
I am a living being. The Mr. Johnson is a corporation. I'm not a corporation, sir. I'm a living being.
And so is Mr.
Remember the cat video? Like, I'm here live. I'm not a cat. This is perfect. Like, sovereign citizens should love that cat video, because that lawyer's like, your honor, I'm here live and I'm not a cat. Sovereign citizens are like, I'm here live and I'm not a corporation. That's exactly one and the same. Oh man. All right. So some people have said that I keep interrupting, and like, how can I not like comment on this? I'm not just gonna play this video and not like say anything. It's so ripe for for commenting on this just level of stupidity. It's so great. So all right. So let's give it a little stretch and see where we go from here. We got 5 minutes left to the video. It's already been so great.
Mr. Johnson.
No, sir.
Well, since Mr. Johnson doesn't appear, I'm going to enter defaults on this.
No, I am here. I am here as an authorized representative and in honor of that legal entity. You can't. I'm here trying to resolve the matter, sir.
Sir,
Are you a lawful judge? You're not here to.
Don't interrupt him. He is a judge.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to
well,
clarify.
Let me
That's
start.
all.
I'm going to start this here, and then we'll get to dealing. Good afternoon. My name is Richard McManus. I am an independent hearing officer who will conduct your hearing this afternoon. We're here today for a hearing concerning alleged violations of the Colorado Public Highway Authority law as it pertains to the E-470 Public Highway Authority. I want to explain what we're going to do this afternoon. First, you need to know that you may not record this hearing either by audio or video recording. Do you understand?
Whoops. He's recording it by audio and video, so he's breaking the first rule. So the authorized representative, Stephen Johnson, who is appearing on behalf of the legal entity, Stephen Johnson, which is a corporation created by the state. I think that's the sovereign citizen lingo, if I'm getting it correctly, because I'm becoming indoctrinated the longer I watch these videos, and the deeper down the rabbit hole. These people are making a point. They're definitely they're saying something. It's interesting, but let's see what else the authorized representative Stephen Johnson's going to do here.
Understand that? You understand that?
Sir.
You're not to record either by audio or video this hearing today. You understand that?
I have the right to.
You don't have any right to do anything about recording.
I have a constitutional right, do I not? Does the Constitution does not apply in this courtroom? Is that what you're saying?
Sir, you just tell me you can't video record this thing. So if you have anything that's recording this hearing, turn it off at this point. Do you understand that?
I believe I'm exercising my rights, sir.
Whether you believe you're exercising your rights and whether or not you actually are is a vast. There's a big gap between those two things. Authorized Representative Stephen Johnson. I don't recall anything in the Constitution saying that you can record a video or auto record a civil hearing under a Colorado. I think if I understood correctly, some sort of Colorado traffic code. I don't think that's contained in the Constitution. I've read it. couple times. I don't remember anything about saying any of those things, but he believes that he's uh, protecting his rights. Or I can't remember what he said. Standing up for his rights. I don't know. He's here in honor, though. He is here in honor, I guess. Who knows whatever that even means. So, all right.
You don't have a right to record this hearing. Do you understand?
No, sir.
Second, you need to know that I have no authority to suspend or modify any proposed toll, fee, cost, or penalty. Do you understand that?
I'd like to exercise my right to remain silent.
This is not a criminal proceeding. You
Yeah.
do not have that right.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is a civil proceeding. So, like, you don't have necessarily the same rights that you would have in a criminal proceeding. So, you can't just pick and choose whatever it is you think your rights are and try and assert them in a certain place that don't cross over. So the judge is actually right. I think the guy actually even said the question before, do you understand the right? And he said no. And then the judge kept going anyway. I think maybe the judge missed it, but let's see what other gems the authorized representative Stephen Johnson gives us with the rest of this hearing.
I don't have any rights.
You have the right to be represented at this hearing by an attorney. You're Mr. Johnson, that's what you have a right. If you're not an attorney, you can't represent him. You recording this hearing?
I'm sorry?
You recording this hearing?
No, I just have the right to exercise my rights. Do I not, sir?
You have all the rights that you have as a citizen of the United States.
If I was a citizen, I'm a natural person, not a citizen. That's a 14th Amendment created entity used.
So wait a minute. Hold on. So the authorized representative Stephen Johnson is a natural person, but he wants to exercise his rights given to him under the Constitution? Hold on a minute, you rascal, you authorized representative Stephen Johnson. Those are rights that are given to United States citizens. But if you're not a United States citizen, then hold on a minute. What then you must be able to exercise the rights of whatever Stephen Johnson land that you're that you're part of. So sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt a sovereign from an I have to I guess refer to him as authorized representative. Should I call him Lord Stephen Johnson? What does he want to be called as other than authorized representative? I don't know. Let's see what else. But I think there's a little bit of flaw. I don't mean I'm not a sovereign, so I don't know if I can address authorized representative Stephen Johnson as an equal, but I would question his authority based on some of the nonsense that he just said in this hearing room with all the just like it was put together this morning for this hearing. All these wires. I don't know. I'm sorry about the wires. It's making me very unsettled. So let's see where this goes, huh?
Are you familiar with Black's Law, sir? Are you here
I'm
on...
not familiar with all the laws, sir. If you are not Mr. Johnson.
Wait, so he referred to as Black's Law? Like, there's Black's Law dictionary. I wish the guy would I want Stephen Johnson, sorry. I want authorized representative Stephen Johnson to tell us where he was going with that. Maybe he will. Sorry to interrupt, but like Black's Law, this is interesting. I've never heard that one from a sovereign citizen before. So let's see what authorized representative Stephen Johnson has to say.
Johnson, we're not going to have a hearing. I'm just going to.
I'm the authorized representative of that.
You are not an authorized representative. Now, unless you want to comply with the terms and conditions I set forth here, we're not going to have a hearing.
Well, I'm here in honor as the authorized representative of the legal entity, Stephen Eugene Johnson. There is no Mr. If you put Mr. in front of anything in accordance to Black's Law Dictionary, it is a corporation. Mr. Johnson, Stephen E. period Johnson is a corporation. Stephen Eugene Johnson in all capital letters is a corporation. Anything in all capital letters is a corporation. I'm just explaining the law, sir. I thought you knew it.
That is not the law at all. That's some gobbledygook bullshit that someone like told to this dude at a bar when they were talking about who owed the bar tab, and the guy was like, no, it's not me. I'm the authorized representative of the corporation that purchased all this beer. And the the person working on the bar was like, whatever, I'm tired. My shift's over, whatever. And then they thought it worked, and then like, hey, dude, we should try this in court. And then then it ends up never working. If you have a video where the sovereign citizen wins, I would love to see it. And I'll be first to admit that I've been wrong for 15 years this entire time. That I thought they were complete idiots. But please send it to me. I'd love to see it.
Reject that. I'll explain the law to you.
Okay.
You're not a lawyer, so I don't accept anything that you say. Now, unless you admit to being Stephen E. Johnson, we're not having this.
I do not do such. I am the legal entity.
Then
My name is
Johnson
Stephen.
fails to appear.
My name is Stephen of the Johnson family. I am not the corporation. I'm not going to enter myself into joinder. No, sir.
You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to enter a judgment against you, which can be enforced in the courts of the state of Colorado.
Well, I guess you're going to have to do that.
Hearings concluded.
Then I can get to the right courtroom.
The court will render a default judgment on all of the violations since Mr. Johnson
I'm here,
does not appear.
Stephen Johnson.
No, this game plan, like, you can't have it like both ways. You can't not be Stephen Johnson and then say, oh, I'm here. And then like, this isn't some Abbott and Costello routine. Like, who's the defendant? Like, no, who's not the defendant? Who's the prosecutor? Like, they can't do that. That makes no sense. And you lack all kind of credibility when you pull this kind of BS. So I don't know. Let's see where we got a minute left, so let's see where we go.
You're representative, Mr. Johnson.
Of the legal entity, that's right.
Default judgment entered.
Default judgment, I'll be in court. When do I go? Do I know? Am I going to be notified?
Appeal this judgment to the county court in which the various tolls were.
What county is this? Is this state
Douglas,
or is
Adam,
this?
and these are in Douglas, Adam, and Arapahoe County.
There are 3 different counties.
Okay.
You can appeal it within 30 days of today's date. Case closed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Authorized Representative Stephen Johnson, everybody. Give him a round of applause.
Free to go?
I guess you could go wherever you
I
want,
got
man.
court. Or lawful.
So that was Authorized Representative Stephen Johnson, everybody. Let's let him hear it. He did not win. A default was entered against him, which is basically the legal equivalent of him not even showing up whatsoever. So not only did he lose, but he lost a tank of gas and probably a little bit of pride too. But he did appear with honor though. So your honor, my honor. I don't know whose honor, but who's on first? That's my new name for the sovereign citizen. So it's the sovereign citizen movement. It's a game of who's the defendant. So that's all we got for today. I thank you for stopping by, and I'm fascinated with these people. And if you want to, anybody that would love to be interviewed as a sovereign citizen, I'd love to interview them and pick their brain and figure out what they're talking about. So have a good rest of your day, everybody, and I will talk to you later.